How to use the Snapchat map. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can use Snapchat map, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to use Snapchat map is basically a feature on Snapchat that allows you to see where your friends are. You can track them if they have turned on location services. So open Snapchat application and then you simply want to come to the Snap map icon, which looks like the location GPS icon from the bottom left. Now just to make sure, I'll also make sure to turn on my location over here. This will allow other friends on my Snapchat list to actually view my current location. As a result, I'll also be able to see other people on my Snapchat map option. As you can see, the people in my location as well. Now you can customize this if you want. You can go ahead and find out the places your friends have visited. You can check the temperature of that specific place and so on. You can check your past watch history. But if you want, there are a few other settings that you can customize as well. That is, just tap on the gear icon from the top right. You can turn on ghost mode so that you don't want to go ahead and other people to track your location. You can only choose your friends to view your location. Your friends accept a few specific friends or only just friends. You can create your avatar and you can also support a specific place if you want. If you want to just track a specific person, you can just tap on them and then you'll be able to see all of their details, such as where they were, on which place they were, how much hours they spent on that specific place, and so on. Snapchat is basically going to keep track of all of that, and this is simply how you can use a Snap Map feature. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.